Do you know how Germans transport molten iron? Smelting steel is a technical activity. After smelting, what's left is a heap of red-hot molten iron with a temperature exceeding 1340 degrees. The temperature of the residual molten iron won't drop much. If you toss a chicken in, it turns into ash immediately. After smelting, it needs to be transported and then cooled. Hot slag is usually liquid, and if transported by ordinary trucks, it could become a fire truck in minutes. To make transporting high-temperature molten iron easier, Germans have exclusively produced a special transport vehicle. This vehicle is called a slag tank transporter, measuring 11.9 meters in length, 7.7 meters in width, 4.3 meters in height, weighing 82 tons, with a load-bearing capacity of 130 tons. The front is equipped with a U-shaped slag tank that can hold 45 cubic meters of hot slag. Care is required when transporting molten iron. A little accident could be fatal. Fresh graduates aren't necessarily qualified to drive it. The slag tank takes care of loading the molten iron. Then the transport truck transports the slag tank to its destination. After adjusting the angle, the slag tank tilts at 130 degrees. The molten iron pours out into the processing pool. Don't underestimate the slag tank transporter because it seems simple. The requirements for it are very high. First, its quality. It has high temperature resistant steel material, so it won't be melted by the molten iron. Second, its shape, designed in a U-structure for better loading and unloading to avoid accidents during cleaning and unloading. It's said that good horses need good saddles, so it's not enough for just the slag tank to be good. The transport vehicle also has to meet the standards. Although it has a KA Zorcher C15 engine with 548 horsepower, you can't go too fast when transporting molten iron to ensure the driver's safety. I had a big idea. Volcanic eruptions release tons of high-temperature lava, burying everything around. If we sent more than 100 slag tank transporters, how long would it take to send all the lava back into the volcano?